Hi there, welcome to Simply Quiz. At the end of this video, you will get a better understanding of cryptocurrency and how it works. Accurate terms may not be used in the video, but you will definitely understand the concept of cryptocurrency. This video is only for educational purpose and is not a financial advice. Before we begin, I have a question. Why does money have any value? It's because people believe that we can exchange money for goods and services, and this is assured by the banks or governments. So, what are the drawbacks of money transfer? There are several drawbacks which you may notice in day-to-day life, like technical issue at the bank. The user's account could be hacked. At times, transfer limits for the account may exceed. Fees may be charged for interbank money transfer.
Delay in money transfer, etc. These transaction details are stored in the bank servers, which could be hacked, and since a third party manages the money supply,
value of money may decrease via inflation. So came cryptocurrency. So what is cryptocurrency? It is a digital currency which is not regulated by banks or governments. You can send a cryptocurrency to your friends without facing the issues I mentioned for money transfer. And the data won't be stored in a third-party server, and hence more safety. The concept is good, right? Let's see how the cryptocurrency actually works. Consider, you are sending a Bitcoin to your friend. This is called transaction. The transaction data consists of sender's ID, receiver's ID, transaction amount, date, and time. These IDs are unique and don't reveal personal information though. I said earlier that the transaction details are not stored in third-party servers, right? So where is it stored? For easy understanding, let me tell like this.
Each transactions are entered in a page. When the page is filled, the transactions are entered in the next page. Here each page is called a block. These pages are interconnected, forming a book. Thus, this book is called blockchain. Since each page is a continuation of previous page, change cannot be brought into only one page. To make a change in one of the page, the entire book has to be rewritten. It can be done, right? But what if the same book is available to every people? You cannot make change in every person's book, right? This is the safety of blockchain. That is, the transaction data are entered in a block. These blocks are interconnected to form blockchain, and this blockchain is available to every person. So where is the blockchain present, and do you have one? The blockchain will be present only in those computers that have installed something called wallet. The wallet is present in individual cryptocurrency websites. When you install Bitcoin wallet, it will download the entire transactions of Bitcoin up to date which happened all over the globe into your computer. Hence, blockchain will be present in your computer. So, why do you install wallet at first place? You may be heard about mining. You can install a software called miner into your computer.
Different miners are for different cryptocurrencies. In simple words, miners are those who adds block to the blockchain, or simply those who writes the new pages in the book and thus updates the book. For mining, powerful computers are required and is a difficult task. When the Bitcoin miners does this, they will be rewarded with certain amount of Bitcoin, which is already coded in the algorithm. Similarly, other cryptocurrency miners will be rewarded with that particular cryptocurrency. So, can you make your own cryptocurrency? Yes, you can. You can make a cryptocurrency by making a new blockchain, or you can make a cryptocurrency that relies on the already existing blockchain. Making a new blockchain is difficult, so most cryptocurrencies rely on the already existing blockchain. So comes next question. Will the price of your cryptocurrency go high like that of Bitcoin? Bitcoin was launched in 2009, and there were only 21 million Bitcoins in total. So, it's finite and is limited. Now there are more than 10,000 cryptocurrencies as of 2021. Dogecoin on the other hand, there are more than 129 billion Dogecoins. So it's highly unlikely to reach values like Bitcoin. This is because as supply increases, demand decreases. So, your cryptocurrency should be such that the blockchain should have high efficiency, that is faster transaction, more safety, limited in number and sold be promoted like anything, and if it's backed by people like Elon Musk, the value can reach very high, or in other words, to the moon. So, should you invest in cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency market is highly volatile. It can go up and down anytime. People mostly buys cryptocurrency to hold it or hodl, so that they could sell it in future, when the rate of the cryptocurrency is high. So it's not a real investment. If at all you are keen to buy cryptocurrency, look for how efficient its blockchain is, how much is its safety, how many coins are in total circulation, and also how much hype it has in the market. Invest at your own risk. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe.